belly, I'm not the belly, me and the chef in the place. We round the kitchen, me a set the place on the jam to be active, me make it taste so nice. Me a the man to cook up a spicy curry rice. Yeah, the belly, a medium, come check me radio station. Tuning at the vibes, village of creation. Me a cook it up, yeah. Me a steer it in a pot, music and food, the combination.
Hello folks, so today we are making some pepper shrimps. Yes guys, it's a Tuesday, we are on in the evening here in the hours, and we just want something different, something nice and something spicy for dinner. So join us in the kitchen, make we hurry up and make this peppered shrimp. And guess what, we put out some corn night. We change it up, change up the whole thing and make it totally different from where you normally would get if you were buying pepper shrimp at Jamaica. Or if you decide to make it yourself, you can probably jump on board and do some creative things and make yours be unique. So come join us now. Remember me tell you. We have our shrimp and we have some 16-20 size shrimp. And guys, me can't get the shrimp with the head on it unless I go seaside. But you know it go already. I already know that we're going to work it or we can work it. You understand what I say? But we have the skin on, the shell rather on. And these are huge shrimp. Look at this. Huge shrimp. Yeah. So we have that. It's about 20 shrimp in this container. For me and the wifey, 20 is enough. She gonna get 5 and me get the rest. That I tell you right now. Oh, we put some sweet corn in our pepper shrimp today. And we're going to make it nice. Everything is a one-pot thing and we just make it nice. You understand? So I put some corn on the cob. Over here is so our ingredients what we have. Yeah, and these are what we're going to be using to make our shrimp taste nice. We have some coconut oil. Yeah, you have to do your pepper shrimp in a coconut oil. It tastes good. Chili powder, onion powder, cumin. We have some Caribbean sauce. Any hot sauce where you want to use is good. We are going to put some country pepper in it or some scotch bonnet pepper as well. But you know it already. We have some orange pepper. We have some fish seasoning. We have some garlic. And we have some chili oil. Yes, guys. Over here, so we have some cilantro, we have some green pepper, jalapeno, red pepper for color, scallion, and a little small sweet onion. We also have some coconut milk. Oh, can you use coconut milk in pepper shrimp? Oh yes, this is gonna be our garlic coconut pepper shrimp. Talk to me nice, with corn. And of course, we have some adobo seasoning. Guys, join us now. We're ready for start cook. Come in the kitchen right now, make we start that big garlic coconut pepper shrimp, yard belly style. Remember me tell you. So the first thing you want to do is you want to add your coconut oil to the pot. And then, of course, you want to get your seasonings all get set and ready. I'm just chopping up the initial set of seasoning and then we're going to start. We're going to put our garlic in our coconut oil and keep the flames on a regular, moderate to low heat because you don't want anything to burn. All right. We're using a lot of garlic and of course we're adding our onions at this time. Guys, this is going to be almost like a composite. We're going to be building on flavors as we go along. I'm using the time in between the garlic and the onion, getting nice and caramelized to continue chopping up my ingredients. So this is the scallions I'm going to chop up because I'm going to use them after. Now I'm adding my corn, and you'll be surprised to know that you're adding your corn so early, but we want the corn to cook and to be nice and soft and flavorful, so we start with the corn. Then we turn the heat down a little bit more and we're adding our shrimp at this time. And with the heat being very low, we're just going to start building momentum and adding flavors as we go along. At this time, we went live, and so you're going to hear the live going on as we, continue with our cooking. So join us and enjoy it. Every Tuesday, we go live on TikTok and every Thursday on YouTube. Join the live. Now in progress. All right. So everything you hear now is from the live. Grace fish seasoning. All right. Because I seafood.
Yeah.
You see me?
No, sir.
This one is orange pepper.
Only lemon pepper, me know.
All right. So now we are the orange pepper. This one will give you a burst of floral citrus type of vibe.
Oh, okay.
All right. I'm going to add cumin to a lot of my dish because cumin give you that nice little umami vibe. All right. Just a little. Almost like I'm doing a shrimp scampi. At this stage, it's almost like a shrimp scampi. I'm adding my onion powder. Look what I'm going now.
Oh, wow.
So the shrimp I get color. Some paprika here. So I'm gonna add my paprika. A little Cajun seasoning, and again, I just have to add this just because I have it. It not really is a must. And the sazon will help with the color. Alright, so we have some coconut milk. I'll just add it in increments. We now fill up the pot of coconut milk. We add it little. Just put in some scotch bonnet pepper. Just sprinkle in some thyme. One more time.
Coconut milk part 2.
Adding my pepper now. Yeah, more pepper that we say. Then I also have this awesome hot pepper sauce. I never add. Caribbean pepper. Wicked spicy red sandwich spread. Watch out now. Watch out. What I add is all of my peppers. That is sweet pepper with jalapeno. Add them there. Just to give me that nice little pepper medley vibe there. Just see me. Look on that. Look at that. Look at that. Alright. So we're just adding our scallion. Turn off the stove. And you don't want to overcook your shrimp. You don't want your shrimp then get tough.
Making a bed with the corn.
So here we are plating our dish, guys, and I'm telling you, the house smells so good. The spices, the herbs, the whole thing is a real play on the senses. The pepper shrimp turn out very flavorful, not just spicy. You know, sometimes you have pepper shrimp and you can't eat it because your eyes run in water and everything, and there's nothing else that you actually taste. Here we present it in a nice bowl with the corn cooked in the same pot and the nice greenery. We added a dollop of butter on the top just to make it real nice and cool. The wife loved it, and of course she had to bite everything. Now, me not know, do you guys eat shell and all? This is a big controversy in my house because I don't eat the shells. The wife eat the shells. At least she chew them up and spit them out. But guys, it was so delicious. And of course, you know me have to try it on the camera. Me can't just, you know, me have to try it on the camera. So bear with me, guys.
All right, you're over there.
I'm not. See there?
Lose it what essence?
Oh my God. No, brother. See, this need white rice. So there you have it, guys. Of course, the white rice never make, but we did enjoy our dinner. Join us again for more Yardabelly TV's take on your favorite recipes. And of course, we go live on TikTok on Tuesdays and on YouTube on Thursdays. It was a pleasure cooking this dish. Big up on yourself, Yardabelly TV. Like, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember me tell you,